Is it becoming a problem for you to locate the proper replacement part for your Red Lion pump? Pump Products can simply deliver it to you. We have a full inventory of repair and replacement parts straight from the manufacturer for all Red Lion pump series, starting from the RJSE series, RJSE 75SS series, RLHE series to the RLSP series. We are suppliers of a full line of premier quality, genuine replacement parts for all kinds of Red Lion pumps, including Red Lion well pumps, shallow well jet pumps, convertible jet pumps, submersible water pumps, Red Lion sewage pumps, Red Lion sump pumps, Red Lion centrifugal pumps, deep well jet pumps, irrigation pumps, Red Lion grinder pumps, Red Lion booster pumps. The Red Lion pump parts and repair kits comprise pump flanges, jet pump parts, water pump parts, pump repair kits, rebuild kits, seal kits, pump motors, pump impellers, mechanical seals, pump shafts, pump bearings, pump gaskets, pump wear rings, and pump rotating assemblies. Pump Products is a leading Red Lion Pumps online pump repair parts dealer, servicing customers nationwide. Our online store and huge inventory levels allow you to buy the repair parts direct from us and have them delivered to your doorstep. Inspector Pumphead and his team of application engineers are standing by to answer questions regarding pump and pump part selections and can assist in pump sizing, troubleshooting, and other pump-related issues. Needed now? We offer fast shipping, with most orders being processed and shipped the same day at the lowest prices anywhere. Pump Products, your direct connection to Red Lion pumps and parts. Visit us at www.pumpproducts.com, or call our toll-free number today at 1-800-429-0800.